Cohere, a leading company in the field of artificial intelligence, has made headlines by raising a massive $500 million in funding. This infusion of capital positions them to take on rivals in the competitive generative AI space. But why is this so important, and how does it affect the broader AI landscape? Let's dive into the details to understand what this means for the future of artificial intelligence, and how Cohere plans to use this war chest to beat back its competition. Generative AI, a field that involves the creation of new content such as text, images, or even video through artificial intelligence algorithms, has taken the tech world by storm. It's behind innovations like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other breakthrough tools that are transforming industries. Cohere, however, is not just riding the wave of this technology. They're leading it. The company specializes in natural language processing, NLP, making machines capable of understanding and generating human language with unprecedented fluency and depth. So why does this $500 million matter so much? For starters, it shows that investors are incredibly confident in Cohere's ability to not only compete, but to dominate. The generative AI space is crowded, with players like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Microsoft all vying for supremacy. But Cohere has a unique approach, one that emphasizes open-source models and enterprise-level AI tools, making it a key player in this evolving sector. Let's take a closer look at what sets Cohere apart from its competitors, and how they plan to use this funding to beat back the likes of OpenAI, Google, and others. Focus on NLP and customization. While some AI companies have been heavily focused on general-purpose AI that can serve a wide array of tasks, Cohere has carved out a niche by zeroing in on natural language processing, NLP. NLP allows machines to better understand, interpret, and generate human language. Cohere's approach is centered around building language models that are specifically designed to improve human-machine communication by refining their models to handle intricate language tasks such as text summarization, translation, and conversation. Cohere has become a critical tool for businesses looking to incorporate AI into their customer service or content creation processes. With this latest funding round, Cohere plans to double down on NLP advancements to ensure its models remain cutting edge. Another key advantage is Cohere's focus on customization. Instead of offering one-size-fits-all models like some of its competitors, Cohere is giving businesses the ability to tailor AI models to their specific needs. This makes them a highly attractive option for enterprises that need AI solutions that cater to their industry, whether it's healthcare, finance, or retail. Cohere distinguishes itself in the competitive generative AI landscape by committing to open-source AI models, unlike proprietary platforms like OpenAI. This strategy fosters a global developer community that enhances and adapts Cohere's models, driving rapid innovation. With $500 million in funding, Cohere plans to develop more sophisticated models for various applications, such as chatbots and content generators. To compete with tech giants like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft, Cohere focuses on strategic partnerships and aggressive research and development, particularly in natural language processing, NLP. This investment will support hiring top talent and improving infrastructure. Cohere's approach reflects a broader trend favoring niche players in the AI industry, as businesses increasingly seek to automate and enhance operations. With its emphasis on customization and open-source development, Cohere is poised to make significant strides in the AI field, positioning itself for long-term success amidst fierce competition. Please like, share, and subscribe.